Have you noticed that we have family members, neighbors, friends that just never seem to age? They just seem to be able to skate through life as though time just stood still. Meanwhile, you may be feeling like an 85-year-old getting up in the morning feeling all stiff and achy. Well, if you're tired of feeling sick, if you're tired of having a hard time losing weight, maybe you're feeling bloated, you're feeling headachy, having brain fog, and just feeling moody all around, then I'm here to tell you that you don't have to suffer anymore. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dr. Sandra Miranda, and I'm a naturopathic doctor. I've been practicing for the past 20 years, helping women get balanced not only nutritionally, but also hormonally, because this is when we feel our best. You don't need to buy into the aging excuse anymore, because now we have the science and we have the knowledge to know just how to treat all these health concerns with natural approaches without the use of any medication. I'm going to share a story with you. It was a patient of mine that came to see me. Her name is Nikki. She is 52 years old. And prior to coming to see me 2 years before that, she had gone through a very stressful situation. She had gone through a really, really nasty divorce. And during the past 2 years, she had been, trying to figure out life again, on her own. She had gained 20 pounds. She was feeling heavy and irritable. She wasn't sleeping well at night because of all those racing thoughts in her head. She had gone to her medical doctor, and the medical doctor ran a few blood work, and told her, no, everything is fine, and wanted to give her an antidepressant. Nikki didn't want to take the medication. She didn't feel like she was depressed per se. She felt more burned out. And she wanted to just look for a more natural approach. So that's when she came to see me. So the very first thing that we did is we ran blood work. But our blood work is a very thorough assessment of all the hormones. And we are testing with functional medicine blood tests that normally medical doctors wouldn't test for. And we were able to find 4 significant hormonal imbalances, in her system, which most likely shifted from the time that she was going through, all that stress, in her life. So we put together a treatment plan that involved a combination of nutritional and lifestyle changes that she felt was doable and that she was excited about. And to make a long story short, things worked because 2 months later, it wasn't even too long, she had started to lose some weight. She was feeling a lot more energized. She was sleeping better at night. She was just, in short, just feeling more enthusiastic, about life again. She was feeling lighter. And what was even more important, she was feeling super excited about continuing, with the program. So if you can relate with this information, or if you have a loved one, that may be going through something like this, what I'm here to do is to invite you, and because I'm going to be offering a free 1-hour online presentation where I would like to discuss with you the 3 more common mistakes that keep women feeling tired and heavy and bloated and achy, having brain fog and moody. So I want to discuss all this with you. I want to discuss all the different types of tests that you should be getting done if you want to have a good, thorough assessment on what is going on with you and where your hormones are at. The presentation is called Feel Like You Again, Natural Anti-Aging Techniques That Work. And I'm only going to be inviting a small group of women because I want to make sure that I have the chance to answer all of your questions. So if you think this information would be beneficial, then please register before somebody else takes your spot. Okay? So I really hope you can join me. I have a lot that I'd like to share with you, and I'll see you soon.